Okay, we are making. This is okay. Uh, the part of Sikkim. Okay. So this is the grasses and bushes. We are making like this. This is actually brushes, okay, and this is grasses, small small, and here also one white line because this is NH30, NH10 actually. This is NH10, okay. Here I draw the hill, okay. I draw the hill, big hill. You should make the car very small, otherwise the hill not looks great. The bigger, okay, like this, and here also another hill. The two hill, 1, 2, 3 hill. Okay, like this, like this. This is some hill, okay, in the so far distance, okay, and we do here some lamp post, okay, very simple. We do lamp post kind of, okay, one lamp post. Here are big, okay. So my drawing is done. We'll start the some electric wire and all. Okay, Shamna bhi understood beta? Okay.
Yes, I understood, sir.
Okay. So so this is the row, the scenery which I want to draw. Okay, let's start the color.
2 minutes for no 5 minutes, just 5 minutes, sir.
Not 5 minutes, 3 minutes.
Sir, please suggest just 5 minutes.
No 5 minutes, please. I'm ready. I should finish once more drawing, right? Two scenery, one
Okay,
and
sir.
other.
Fine.
Yes, my ink is not working today. Oh, Samnavi. Okay, no problem. So, let's. I hope all of you. I show how to color. No problem. Don't worry. Okay. So first of all, I take.
Sir, is watercolor purple? Is the watercolor necessary or really just drawing?
Nice watercolor.
So we have to do the watercolor, right?
Yes. Have to do the watercolor.
Oh, which color did you pick?
I'll show you. Okay. Just take the. First, I take Prussian French ultramarine or Prussian blue. So first you wash your
I
palette.
didn't hear you.
You first wash your palette. Take the tissue
Sir,
paper.
what the white color want to use, sir?
Sorry.
What color, sir?
I use a Prussian blue, so I just erase
Okay,
first.
sir.
I clear the. Now it's a clear, almost clear water. I take this color, okay, French ultramarine, and I put the French ultramarine.
Sir, did you use Russian blue or cobalt blue?
Cobalt blue you can put or French ultramarine.
No, sir. I was asking which color did you use?
I'm use French ultramarine. You can use the cobalt blue also. Okay.
Sir, I don't have French ultramarine. What color can I use?
Use cobalt blue or Prussian blue. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I make some little blue color in top of it. Okay, just first steps. This kind of green, right? See, color.
So light green or dark green?
Dark green and Prussian blue. This is two color. So using like this kind of color.
Sir, which two colors?
The
Sir,
green,
like this.
yeah, the Prussian blue,
Sir, which two colors did you make up here?
Prussian blue and
Sir, can you tell me which is Prussian blue?
deep green, deep blue. Deep blue is Prussian blue.
Sir, Monica, there was something in this color. I have got
Prussian, beta Prussian blue.
Next rhino versus Mukat, I have got two types of rhino.
Yeah, you can put this kind of color also. You can use this color up also.
One is Persian blue.
Yeah. Yes, it's the Prussian blue. It's this Prussian blue too. This you can take the deep blue. You can use any deep blue, not exact Prussian blue. That color is little bit blues, blue and green. Okay, beta. You can add deep green and deep blue. That's it. Yeah, light dark green and dark blue because it's so far. So that's why. Okay, and after that I add some little lemon yellow for the down, for the this part. Yes, beta. Yes. Yeah. Thank you, beta. So in down parts I'm using little greenery, not that blues, little green. Okay, here. Sure, beta. I just put this that much and then I wait. Okay, beta. Just that hill I can do first. Otherwise. This is the view of Sikkim. Very recently I visit there and I observe that how to draw, how the green and the greenery, how to make the perspective of hill. So I yes, beta. Yes. Before dry the paper, one thing you do, just some dark tone, like this kind of dark tone. This is a in hill some area is depth, down, ups and down. So you can make some like this before dry your paper. Do something like this, so it looks your hill is not a flat. It looks ups and down. Okay. Yeah, it looks like real. Yes. Do that much first, then you can go ahead to the next part. Okay. You should need to go the outdoors. That's why. If you want to improve your drawing, you should go the outdoor and do sketch lots, photography or coloring. Okay, so this color is more dark. Okay, and in using this brownish mauve color. Brown and green for here.
Then which color would you use?
I'm using brown sienna and green, deep green, brown sienna and deep green for here.
Sir, I don't have that yellow color here.
Lemon yellow, beta. This is lemon yellow. Okay. This I put the lemon yellow pretty lights colors coming over here. I put little dark so it looks
When I feel cold,
it looks more
Yo
hot
digo,
and it
que
looks more
esté bien.
hot. Okay,
Here
this
one
is
yes.
We're thinking
first green and brown sienna, then you mix little dark black so it's coming more dark. Okay. So it looks more real. Okay.
Which color will be the bronze color?
Brown sienna, beta. What to tell again?
Sir, which color will be the bronze color?
Yeah, I tell you, beta. I tell you. Take the lemon, bronze. Take the green. Take the lemon yellow. Okay, lemon yellow. Deep green, and a brown sienna. This is
Sir, please move your palette. I want
brown sienna. You know, brown color. See, 3 color I'm using.
Oh, please, sir, I understand.
Brown, yeah. Okay. So we can make here. So I say this some grasses and all in front. This color should be dark because this is far, this is very close, no? So this color should be dark, more dark than this.
Sir, look my own hair. Sir, actually, my phone charger is getting
So
we say that is this the last one?
no, it is not last drawing. I make it once more. You using mobile?
Yes, sir, I'm using mobile.
Very good. Very
My
good.
charge is going to be over within 3 minutes.
Okay, then
So, sir, I will not be able to continue Sunday. So,
No,
can I
no.
join, can I join tomorrow morning also?
tomorrow morning.
Half class, like.
No, you can join full class, but you should put the charges before when class is better. Okay.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow will be his laptop, son. So tomorrow can I
Sure.
join?
Okay, beta, no issue.
What time, morning or evening?
You can join evening time.
Okay, I'll see. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, beta. Bye bye. So now, so here you can put some light color. See, here you can put some light color. For how to do the light color, you can take your. Yeah, this is also green, Bransina. Bransina? Yeah. Bransina. Here also I am using Bransina Prussian blue. Same color, same kind of color, but more greenish. Here is a more green. Okay, here you can see it's little
Green and yellow.
yellow occur basically. Because I need here little yellow, the mud color. It's a little mud over here, so that's why I just take my paper and tissue paper and I erase in this two color from here. So it looks some muddy effect over here. This line should be very clear, okay? This line. It looks high roads kind of.
Sir, do you like musical instruments?
Yeah, I have my. I love to play guitar. I love to play. I have also all instruments like mouth organ, flutes, guitar, violin. I play. I love.
Sir, I love and I play piano.
Oh, I love too. Piano is very interesting music. Very interesting music, piano. I love to the keyboards, flutes. See, I can make here some grasses and brushes. See, some leaves and all. Right? It looks realistic after that. Okay, somewhere you can put like this. Like this color, okay. Like this color, but here you can put some white stripe. A white stripe. See, like this.
Sir, which color are you using on the road?
Using Prussian blue. Prussian blue and ivory black.
Which black, sir?
Ivory black. Black. Normal black. Yeah, I can use gray.
My black is too dark.
This area also a little green. Usually I'm not keeping any color in the car. I just make it the white box, this window. Okay. In watercolor, no need to put details to this car. No need to make very details. Just
Sir, we don't have to color the car.
no car color is a white Tata Sumo.
Sir, are you using black color?
Yes, I'm using black color.
Sir, I have a blue.
Yeah, I can use a gray. You can use a gray. Just not very details, okay?
Sir, can we color the car in any color?
If you put color, then it's not look good that much because this is all are color. So little very less color. If you put color, very less, not much.
Sir, in the road, are you adding black?
Yes, here I'm adding black. Some a shadow, okay, somewhere. The road also somewhere a break. Because this is a hill areas road, no, somewhere the break. It looks more realistic. Okay. Like this. Okay, so far, so I make this hill very far now, so it looks very mixed with the sky. So this far foreground, midground, and background is very important to show, okay, for your in your drawing, okay. Here I can make it very light color so far. Here here some electric pole is there.
Sir, which color are you going to hold?
I just wash that part. I take water and wash this part. Not color I use. Still I just washing.
Sir, but my paint is not going like that.
Okay, you wet it. It not to wash, not issue. You just directly can use black color. For me, I using this little wash.
Sir, can I use white color?
Yes, you can use white color too.
Sir, because my paint is not washing again.
Yeah, I after that washing, I using the brush pen.
Black pen.
Yeah. I made the brush pen. This is some electric pole, no? This is electric wire. That fields not that we need to draw. Show over here. This is. It looks like a car, no? So far, it's not. I'm not doing too detailed, but it looks a car. Some leaves over here and there. Here also need to little dark color. part I put in dark little.